Hi guys, this is Stephanie. I'm not going to show my face today, but I am going to show you how to care for your fairy hair. And please excuse my cats in the background. They're hungry. So today I'm going to show you how to care for your fairy hair so that you can keep it nice for a long time, so it doesn't get matted and it doesn't get scrunched. So the first part we're going to do is organizing your fairy hair as soon as you get it out of the box. So this is brand new fairy hair. Wherever you get it from, it should come, in some kind of plastic like this, some kind of wrapper. Now you can leave it like this. That's the easiest. And just open it from this side and then pull out your strands. But I like to be complicated, so I'm going to show you how I take care of it, all right? So you're going to need some scissors. You cut the plastic and you want to gently pull out your fairy hair. Make sure it's not hooked on the bottom or attached to the bottom. All right, so this is a beautiful color. I'm calling it bubblegum pink. And then you can get rid of that. So now you want to have some kind of plastic tubing. I got this on Amazon. I got a whole roll of it because I deal with quite a bit of fairy hair. So you're going to cut that to length. So you really want to measure from the bottom to where your loop is, right there. All right, and then you're going to cut it. So I've already cut a little bit of tubing and I have it ready to go. The other thing you want to do is make a little hole at one end. So I bend it over at about 1 inch, take my scissors, I cut this way, and then I fold it on itself and I cut another little slit where I had cut before, so it makes a little cross. I don't know if you can see that very well. But anyways, it's a hole and it goes through both sides of that tubing. That's where you're going to secure your hook. And I use these shower curtain hooks. You can use whatever you would like. You can just use twist ties if you would like. Again, this is just how I do it. This is just to give you an idea. So you're going to grab gently, of course. You're going to take your fairy hair out of there, get rid of that. Kind of want to straighten it out. Smooth it out as much as you can. And then you're going to grab it right at that middle point and start to untwist the twist tie. All right, so now we have the twist tie off and you're holding it right about the middle. And now you're going to grab your fairy hair hook or your shower curtain hook. Slide it through and close it. All right, so now that loop is on the hook. Then you're going to grab your twist tie and you're going to tie around the loop. And this is really just to secure that fairy hair to the hook. And then what I typically do is twist the one end of the twist tie up on the hook. And that's going to keep that twist tie from sliding down in your tubing. All right, so now we have the fairy hair on the hook and we have the twist tie ready. You're going to grab your tubing, grab the end with no hole in it. Okay, there's no hole there. And you're going to stick your hook in there, slide it down into the tubing, let gravity help you on this, and then just guide it with your fingers all the way through the tubing. And now you're going to reach in, pull it all the way through, and just the bottom part of the hook, you're going to open that up. Just that bottom part is going through that hole that you made in the tubing, like so. And then you're going to close your hook again. And that's how I care or display or organize my fairy hair. And then at the bottom here, you can always cut off any excess. You can cut it off there or a little bit further up, however you want. The longer you keep it, the harder it is to reach in there to grab some fairy hair, but it's also going to keep it from getting matted. All right, so there you go. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to show you how to take new fairy hair and add it to a color that you already have. So you bought something to add more and they are the same. And so I'm going to show you in the next video how to add those together. Thank you for watching.